Hi, I have in front of me here a double HDMI wall plate. So this is part of a much wider range of wall plates we're introducing. This particular model here is quite popular. So what we have here is a double HDMI output on it. So if we needed to, we could just run a HDMI cable and push it directly in here, and we can connect to obviously what's connected on the far end of the system. So the idea would be we'll have a comms room, we'll run a cable through through the partition in the wall, and what we'll do is we'll just terminate the HDMI and just connect it directly in here. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to talk a little bit about the dimensions here. It's 85 millimeters by 85 millimeters, which that obviously is standard single plate, and it'll screw into something like this back plate which we have here, or a back box should I say. And what we have here is just two screws that we use to screw directly in. If we turn the unit around, we'll just look in the back. The first thing we'll notice, although this comes fully pre-assembled like this, there's a modular type design here. So the actual central unit just clicks in like this. So there's an outer part and a central part, so it's possible to design it in different ways, and of course there's a wide range of VGAs etc. in it. And then we have them just mounted side by side. The cables themselves end to end are 20 centimeters, and we can just see here that obviously at this end as well we take the feed, which would be a HDMI lead, directly into it here. So obviously this is much bigger than the standard back box you'd have, so the idea would be the cables probably would insert right back into the cavity in your wall, just connected on. The big advantage of these of course is it just gives a really neat finish, and if you're not using the HDMI lead you don't have to be looking at it hanging around the room, so it gives you the opportunity to come along at a later point and use this, but just by connecting directly in, just use a short HDMI lead for the final part of the journey. Inside this range we have single, double HDMIs, we have VGAs, we have RCAs, so the list is pretty extensive here, and really it's proven to be very, very popular because it's the type of modularity and neatness that people are looking for.